Noticed underneath in the paragraph the quavers, the second paragraph, last sentence, the quavers may be played in unequal pairs, a little bit like a swing rhythm.
No, I didn't notice that. Yeah, the quavers may be played in unequal pairs, but I write the student may not want to play swing rhythm in this piece.
No,
because it's harder.
May not. That's just an option, okay? That could be played. Also, the third paragraph in the smaller print does say that all dynamics, staccatos, and slurs are editorial suggestions. So I think at speed, you did a very sort of precise 3-note slur, then separated the fourth quaver. Younger students at grade 2 might find that tricky. So I wouldn't be too insistent about that articulation there.
You mean all slurs for a grade 2 student?
Yeah, I wouldn't necessarily separate the fourth quaver in those bars. Dee-da-da-da-da. Yeah, it's dee-da-da-da-da. Depending on the students, right?
Okay.
Yeah, they could be all slurred. It's an editorial suggestion, as are the dynamics. So if they come up with another plan that's just as interesting, that's acceptable as well.
Yeah, also may be easier for them.
I would think so, yes.